Guys, make sure you stay until the end. It could be simple fix, but if you don't know exactly what it is, you may end up spending thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be any BMW with a turbo engine, especially guys if you have the one with the M20 engine. It could be anything from practically 1 through 7 series BMW, anything from X1 to X5. Guys, stay with us. We'll explain how to replace charge pressure solenoid, how you can do it, how to remove it, common mistakes that we see that people make. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please check them out if you need help with anything. So what we guys need to do here, we're going to open the hood guys, and here, okay, I want to show you when you get that message, okay, that you have the code or the drivetrain malfunction on BMW. Check your vacuum lines, okay, the vacuum line will replace that hose, and here you need to check the vacuum lines for the pressure solenoid, the turbo pressure solenoid, the charge pressure solenoid. These two needs to be checked, and right here also you need to check and the line going to the actuator that's on the bottom. Now if all that is fine, okay, let me go ahead and lift it up, but I need to go ahead and disconnect it now, okay. And this one is quite interesting to do it guys. Okay, I'm going to disconnect this one. Okay, let me see if I can pull that one out. It's super tight, by the way. Here we'll need to do that one too. Okay, let me see where it go, how I can reach that one. So this one, if I lift it up, I might be able to get a little bit better angle. Yep, just like this one. Here I'm going to grab it. I hit it out and I pushed it back in accidentally. Okay, perfect, out. Now, here we're going to disconnect the wires from the cover. Pull that cover out. This cable's holding here as well. Now, guys, here is what's causing, okay, quite a bit of trouble. Check these vacuum lines everywhere, because any of those can cause these problems. Now, from here to the bottom, you need to check that hose as well. This hose, okay, it's exposed to a lot of heat, so you'll need to replace that one too. But most of the times when you have that code 120308, or you have drivetrain malfunction light, you have a bad charge pressure solenoid right here. That will be the one causing it. Okay, this one here. So guys, what we need to do, let's come on this side here. We want to show you guys. We're going to go ahead, grab that connector, push it all the way in, then we're going to press that spring and pull the connector out. We're going to get a torque sturdy star looking bit, okay, like this one right here. We're going to go ahead and remove these two screws. Okay, careful not to drop them, that's what I meant. Well, I kind of see it, so let me see if I can grab the two and we'll continue. So that's the screw guys, we just retrieved it. It fell underneath. We got super lucky guys, okay, how it fell out of there. Now we're getting the second one, which is right here. I got the ratchet because those are it's plastic. I don't want to crack it too with a little impact. So we'll start removing that one now. Okay, and the only thing that we got left now guys is the hose. Okay, right there, going to the wastegate. Okay, it came out. Okay, you can see this is the old charge pressure solenoid right here. now guys, what do we need to do here? Okay, we need to replace that hose with a new one. This hose is exposed to a lot of heat and you don't want that hose to mess you up. That hose we recommend to replace as well. We'll get our other one, okay, and we'll continue, okay, in a little bit. So guys, we got new hoses. We're going to install this one here as well. Okay, perfect. We'll see if we need to change the angle of it a little bit. We can. Now we're going to go ahead install, okay, the solenoid here. Okay, it goes only one way. Practically, otherwise it doesn't fit correctly. We're going to go ahead, start the screw. Then I'll get the other one, second one, install it on this side. Start that one too. For some BMW engines that location might be different, but the procedure is very close and it will be most likely on that side of the engine, facing the engine on the left side, right side of the vehicle practically. In the US, Europe, it's on the passenger side. England will be, I guess, on the driver side. So we're going to install the wire. It clicked in place, everything's good. We're retightening things. Okay, just like that. Now that hose needs to go to the bottom, through the guide right here, through that metal clip. Okay, perfect. Now we need to install it in the wastegate actuator here. Make sure if I can pull it just a little bit more. Okay, that should be good, guys. Okay, now what do we need to do next? We inspected all our vacuum hoses here, everything looks great. We're going to go ahead, grab the cover. Okay, here on your cover now I want to show you, we need to fix, okay, that holder. Okay, perfect, it's great. That's where it connects to the vacuum, right here, guys. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead, install things. I'm going to push, okay, let's see on the side here. I'm going to connect this hose, then we're going to connect that hose. Click in place. Install the cover, install your wiring harness now. Okay, make sure the wiring harness is installed as well, so it doesn't go anywhere. And yeah, guys, practically that's how we replace, okay, the pressure, the charge pressure solenoid on the BMW. So guys, that's how we replace the charge pressure solenoid on this BMW right here. Not too complicated. If you want to know about symptoms of bad charge pressure solenoid and how to test charge pressure solenoid, we'll have videos on the channel that will teach you guys how to do that step by step. Check it out. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. That way you do not waste money and time. Thank you for watching. See you next time.